Hi people, this is Aaron here. Welcome you once again back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to learn something about arithmetic operators as they are used in C++. And then when we talk about arithmetic operators, just the normal arithmetic operators that we know in algebra and mathematics from primary. There is just the same. So we are going to see how we will be using them in our codes even as we code along. Alright, so we basically have four arithmetic operators. That's the addition, which is plus, subtraction, and then we have multiplication and then division. So addition is just denoted by the plus symbol, subtraction with the minus, multiplication is by the asterisks in this case, and then division is just a forward stroke. All right, so we are going to go ahead and look at how we'll be using them in our program. So if you're new to this channel, please do me a favor by subscribing, liking, sharing, and also leaving a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. Right, so we are going to see how we'll be working with them. So let me get rid of this and create a variable num1. Let me initialize it to, let's say, 8, and another variable num2, initialize it to 3. All right, so we have these two variables that we are going to use along. You can actually use any amount of variables, any amount of numbers you may want. I'm going to stick with this. All right, so I'm just going to do, we are going to start with the addition, so I'll just do a cout. This adds numbers. Sorry, so I've done this adds numbers. So let's see, I'll do 8 plus 8 plus 3, sorry, 3 is equal to 11. So I actually have this statement over here. Alright, I have this statement over here. So this actually is not really going to print anything. So I have this adds numbers. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So let's just do a rough this thing over here. So you can see this adds numbers, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Alright, so we are actually going to do it see what happens when we print this one here. So I'll do cout num1 plus num2. Okay, save, build and run, and we are hopefully to get, all right, so we could see the 11 over here. So it's just easy, simple, like, yeah. So let's say we want to also do that for we want to do that for subtraction. So we will just, let me just copy this place, copy and paste, and let me copy this one to paste over here. So let's say this subtracts, right, this subtracts numbers. Let me change the sign over here, minus, and 8 minus 5. So let's go ahead and build and run this and let's see what happens. So you see this subtracts numbers, so 8 minus 3 is equal to 5, and then we can see that we have 5 printed over here. So let's do same for division and multiplication, paste, and then another paste. Then let's copy this, paste it here for division, and then paste some here too for multiplication. Alright, so I'm going to say this divides numbers. So you do the fourth stroke, then 8 divided by 3 is actually going to give a decimal. So let's see what happens. It's gonna give like 2 point something. Like let's see what the computer gives. Divide, and then I'll say this multiplies. This multiplies numbers. Now we'll do the asterisk over here. And then 8 times 3 is going to give us 24. Beyond the all, so that we could see everything clear. So we can see addition gave us 11, 8 plus 3, 11. Subtraction 8 minus 3 giving us 5. And then we have division, 8 divided by 3 is actually 2 point something, but then because we use integer, if you remember in the earlier videos we talk about the variable types, that we have the float and the integer. Because I use integer for the variable, it's actually going to be like an integer. If I had used a floating point number, then maybe we would have gotten the decimal over here, but because I use integer, it's gonna give the integer of it. So that's 2, and then multiplication 8 by 3 will also give us 24. Alright, so real quick, this is how the arithmetic operators really work. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye bye.